Hello students, welcome to the digital learning session of Raval Convent School. Today for class 6 we are here with another amazing topic, that is maps. Let's begin. In geography, maps are one of the most important tools researchers, cartographers, students and others can use to examine the entire earth or a specific part of it. What is a map? A map is a flat drawing of the earth or part of the earth. A map can show you the whole world at one time. There are several types of maps, each show different information. Most map includes a compass rose which indicates which way is north, south, east and west. These are called cardinal directions. The science of map making is called as cartography. A person who draw a map is called as cartographer. Cartographers show the curved surface of the earth on a flat map is known as map projection. Map symbols. A map is a useless tool without symbols. Symbols convey the information provided by the map. Symbols can be used to depict features like cities, roads, railways. Symbols on maps stand for real things and places. Cartographers use different symbols on map to represent real features from the world. Like a square with a red cross on top means it is a hospital. Flag on top usually represent a school. Road are represented by lines. Dash line represent a border. Now, elements on a map. Every map has 5 important elements: title, legend or key, compass rose, scale, inset map. The title tell you the purpose of the map. The legend show you what symbols on the map means. The compass rose is a directional arrow that show cardinal and sometimes intermediate direction on a map. The scale is shown in both standard and metric measurements and show distance between objects on the map. The inset map is a smaller map that shows a larger area of land around the map. Why so many different maps? Different cartographers use different map projections. Another reason for this difference is that map can be created to represent different features of the same place. One map of Europe might show only its major cities and state capitals. Another might depict the country's different vegetation zones. Another map might show Europe's physical characteristics. What are political maps? Maps that show countries, states, cities and capitals are known as political map. It shows the boundaries of administrative units. Different type of boundaries are shown with different symbols. Now, what are physical maps? Physical maps show features of the earth such as mountains, rivers, ocean, forest. It shows the landforms and the water bodies on the earth's surface. Clear? Now, what are thematics maps? It emphasizes a particular theme or topic about an area. Can be presented as shaded maps, dot maps, flowline maps, symbol maps. There are numerous kinds of thematic maps. Some common thematic maps are population map, weather map, climatic map, road maps, land usage map, transportation map, economic activity maps. The map scale is used to show the relationship of distance shown on the map to real distance on the earth. Now, the coordinate system, latitude and longitude. On many maps, you see crisscrossing lines with numbers by them. These lines and numbers form a grid system that allow us to describe the absolute or abstract location of any place on earth. The line running east to west around the earth are called lines of latitude. They measure degrees north and south of the equator. The lines running north to south around the earth are called lines of longitude. They measure degrees east and west of the prime meridian. Together, lines of latitude and longitude form a grid system called the coordinate system. When you state the coordinate of a place on the earth, you are giving its absolute location. Map is very useful. It is an outline or a plan or a diagram that can guide you in geographic place. It is a flat representation of the surface of the earth. A good map will have a legend or key. It is easy to handle and can carry everywhere. Army Army people depend on map for information. It provides lots of information for planning such as a road, residential complex. It is useful to sailors, pilot, miners, engineers and so on. In the end, I would like to say that map is that instructor which used to guide us to our perfect destination. Thank you.